and just like that it crashed. It's quite sad because I haven't used it yet. So I got this drone 3 days ago. I went to Bangkok to get it from there. It's a second-hand drone because as I thought it would be a good idea to have a drone so I can show my audience a nice scenery in the countryside, because earlier I've done a few videos and I just fell in love with the scenery and I was super excited, to film the video, to get a nice shot from above. So today I decided to invite my friend along. So my friend has experienced flying drone before, that's why both of us were confident. And we ended up driving 20 kilometers away from town, and we ended up to my temple. And as you saw on this video, my friend was trying to do the circle, having me in the middle of the temple. And because he was so concentrating on me and he didn't pay attention on the direction where the drone is heading to, and it turns out that the side of the drone hit coconut tree and failed and it broke. So because of this experience, in my opinion, if you're thinking of getting the drone, instead of getting the Mini 3 Pro, it's better to get a Mini 4 Pro, because Mini 3 Pro has the sensor or obstacle avoidance that it can avoid itself automatically, but it doesn't have on the side, where the Mini 4 Pro has on the belly, on the front, on the back, and on the side as well. Where the Mini 3 Pro doesn't have on the side, it has on the belly, back, and front. That's it. I think for that reason, that's why we crashed it. So yeah, do consider getting the Mini 4 Pro instead. Anyway, well, so one thing I like to remind you is that if you own a drone that is way more than 200 grams in Laos, either if you're gonna fly it for commercial or recreational, or just for fun, it's better to have it registered. So what you're looking for is you have to get your drone registered with the Laos Aviation Department in Vientiane capital. The office is at Wat Thai International Airport. So you just go there and bring your drone along with you with your ID card, and get the form, fill the form, and then you just register and you will get the license. It's safer that way because let's say if you get caught, some authorities may detain your drone. If you have the license, or if you have registered, you at least show them the paper and you shouldn't have the problem. Anyway folks, I guess that we have to wait until I get it fixed. I don't know when, but I'll definitely get it fixed, and I can't wait to show it, the beauty of Laos scenery. Right folks, thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having a wonderful weekend. Take care. I'll see you very, very soon. Bye bye.